How to know if I have a spyware on my Windows. So if you want to know that, simply go to your search bar, which is just beside the Windows option. Tap on search and search for virus and threat protection. So if you search for this and simply tap on open, it will open your system settings. Tap on open right over here. Now here you'll find the current threads. There are no current threads and it will show you the last scan time and how many files it had scanned. But if you want to do it again for safety reason, you can directly tap on quick scan. And that's it, guys. It will search for all the files that are on your device and estimated time will be shown here. And the quick scan is running, and when it will be completed here, if it finds any, it will show the spyware. And that's it, guys.